again and point out a couple of things here. That when I told you the 5 minute, the 1 minute buy stop, and everything else, the bank runs and crypto's getting collapsed, and everything's going to go down. There was one person telling you it was going to go up. One person drew it out for you. One system that reigns and rules them all. You're looking at it right here. And I drew this, left this here for you. These are the 1 minute buy stops I told you was going to happen on all three indices. There it is. So I do not want any more, even though it's total collapse, everything's the worst thing in history, everything's going down. When the safety trade system calls for 1 minute buy to the blue line and 5 minute buy to the blue line, guess what it does? Guess what it does? It goes up in spite of all the bad news. The news doesn't do the market. The market is controlled by the safety trade, by the charts. Simple as that. I hope you guys get it through your head one of these times. It has nothing to do. What's up again for the third time, Techman and LT? What's up, Keith, bootlegger? Again, I'm taking my time to do this yet again. Look at it go up, even though the markets are getting run on it, everyone's going to the banks, even though Bitcoin's collapsing, look what's happening as I told you it would. As I drew out for you right here, as I told you it would, it is going up just like I said it would. Look at it go up. Look at it shooting upward. Look at it going upward. Yet again, the safety trade is correct. Green, 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 red. There's your green, green. Buy, stop. There it goes. Told you where it was going to the 5 minute. Look at it go up to the 5 minute right now. Look at it go up before your very eyes as I told you it would, as I told you it would, as I told you. And here's my trades. I don't know if you guys took these trades when I told you to take them. Here they are. Here they are. There was a buy stop, 1 minute buy stop, all three, period. Period. This was called out hours ago. I don't care that they said, oh, everything's doom and gloom and going to fall down. US 30 up. NAS 100 up. SPX up, as I told you. As I told you. And you know what else is up? Bitcoin is up. Even though everything said, oh, Bitcoin's terrible, everything's going down. I'm not telling you it's not going to go down. It will eventually go down. I'm telling you right now that I called this up on the 1 minute, 5 minute, drew it out, wrote it out, left this drawing right here in place. That was where I left you. This is exactly how the drawing poked out again. All I can tell you is you guys got to stop listening to the news and fear-mongering and learn how to trade properly with the safety trades. All I can tell you. There it is. And our scanners called it, that Keith Palmer made, Sparty made. I called it live for you multiple times tonight. There it is. There it is. There it is. Again and again and again and again. Good evening, Jacob. Good evening, Darb. Hi, all. Good morning, Michael, a.k.a. Big Pimpin'. All I want to tell you is go back and watch the videos where I called this. I'm done. I'm not going to stay on long. Your 1 minute buy stop has been fulfilled. It's going up to the 5 minute. You also have your 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stops are forming. Be prepared for the drop. I'm not saying it's not going to drop. I told you where it was going. It's going up to touch this red line on US 30. It's going up to touch the red line on the 1 hour SPX and NAS. Once it's done, then it's going to turn and come back down again. Here is the time where it's coming up. And now it's formed its 1 hour sell stop. I think it's going to go up a little bit more actually to the 4 hour now at this point. And then it'll drop. But right now, you guys are all in these buy stops. Thank you to the safety trade system. Thank you to God for letting us make it up. There's your money. There's your profit. These were all called out live tonight. These ones from up here were all called out live tonight. Matter of fact, these all were called out because these are all my buys. Yep. These are all my buys. I still have sells open. Oh, the bottom one right here. I still have sells open until they hit. I had keeping my sells open right now. All these trades right here are all buys from this evening called out. All of them. All of them. That's all I can tell you. Oh, bank runs and another bank, the second bank in New York, bank run. Oh, yeah. Get out of here. 1 minute buy stop, all 3 minutes to the blue line. I'm correct. And I told you it was going to go to the 5 minute line or get close, and it will. All three of them. Then I'm telling you after that, it's going to form a 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop. All three of them. Look at go up before your very eyes. Who's right again? The safety trade system's right again, period. Don't believe their stupid ass fear-mongering crap that they're trying to push on you. Don't do it. The safety trade calls these trades out, drawn out almost to the point where I can't draw it out any better. Yes, I'm a horrible drawer, but that's what it looks like. And there it is going up underneath the arrow I left you. This is exactly where the arrow was, and this is what's happening. There's NAS. There's US 30. There's the profits on all of them right here. Do your own trades. I don't care. I called this out hours ago. Watch the previous YouTube videos. The safe trade teaches you how to, a safe trade system teaches you how to trade. Look at it right again. In the face of all this doom and gloom, what's going up and where did it go to? To the blue line. Like I told you back here, it already hit it. NAS 100 to the blue line, already hit it. SPX to the blue line, already hit it. Now where are they going to? They're going to be going to their 5 minutes or getting close anyways. Now we have a sell stop in place. Be ready for that. Be just, ready to go on the 1 hour sell stop. Well, let me make sure on this where it's transferred to. 15-minute now, I told you, 30-minute now. It's going to go to a 30-minute. I bet you it's going to go to a 1 hour sell stop. That's just what it's going to do. It's going to go up till this thing right here. I'll draw it for you again. Till the 1 hour turns green on NAS. Till the 1 hour turns green on SPX and US 30. What 1 hour? This indicator right here will turn green like it did over here, and then it will fall again. It may only do this on a 30-minute, so I have my sell stops ready to go here, actually. But there you go, yet again. Okay? That's all I can tell you. If I wasn't scared, I could have banked. Thanks, Kevin. You're welcome, bootlegger. I made $15 already and got out. Thanks, Kevin. You're welcome, JFlow. Thank you, STS. I'm with your calls, which confirm my STS way of thinking, said Michael A. Good evening, all. Yep. I don't know if there's 10 people here, 20 people here. Give me some thumbs up. But all I wanted to do is come back online and document this, telling you that it was correct yet again. And look at it. It's going right to the 5 minute. To me, that's close enough. What is this, SPX? SPX, I called NAS first to its 5 minutes. Then I called SPX to its 5 minutes. And then I'm calling US 30 to its 5 minutes. I believe I'm still correct in every one of those calls. Okay. So when this indicator turns green right here on the 1 hour, expect this to come back down. It's going to go up a little bit more, then it's going to flip and come back down. Oh my God, I can't get any more specific than what I'm telling you to do, drawing out what to do, telling you hours beforehand what it's going to do, telling you what's going to do at market open, telling you what's going to do hours later, telling you after all this what it's going to do. What the fuck? You guys really need to learn how to trade. If any troubles understanding these trades, you need to go ahead and get the damn system, learn how to trade once and for all, and you guys can do these same kind of call outs like this. Not hard. It is not. I do it every day, Monday through Friday, period. You guys see me do this shit. It is not hard. You just got to practice at it, and you too can make these exact same calls. Again, you don't understand the pressure, downward pressure of what everything's under right now, but it doesn't matter. None of it matters. All that matters isn't the news. All that matters is the safety trades. When they form, they work. When it forms perfectly on the 1 minute, they work. When it forms perfectly on the 5 minute, look at it. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, it goes up. Where? Look, underneath my drawing, this is what it did. I told you what it was going to do. I told you where it was going to go, and here it is doing it and did it. Yeah, you're welcome again. There's another 5 minute. Look at this. US 30, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, up it goes. I don't care if there's runs on the banks. I don't care on anything. It did exactly what I said it was going to do. Green, 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 red, green, green, NAS 100. Green, 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 red, green, green, US 30. They all did it. Look, underneath here, they all did it. Period. Anyone's got questions, learn the damn system, buy it. I'm not a financial advisor. Get the hell, I don't even want to be a financial advisor. You can go over to my YouTube. I almost have 400 videos on my YouTube. Watch them all, okay? Have fun. Watch them all. I told you what's going to happen. I'm telling you again what's going to happen. I'm telling you over here what's going to happen. You're about to see a 1 hour break later today, anywhere between 4 in the morning and 9:30 in the morning. You'll see a reversal. You'll see the 1 hour sell stops. Probably earlier than that, actually, but we'll see. Boom. That's it. This SS means sell stop. The BS means buy stop. Go watch my previous 2 YouTube videos tonight. You'll see where I called out exactly and drew out exactly what was going to happen before it happened. Every day. Talking about starting the week off with a bang. Bang. There it is. Boom. Called out, written out, drawn out, told you. What more do I have to do to make this clear to you that the system works ahead of time? I don't give a F what those news people say. The news is BS. When the safety trade forms on the 1 minute, 5 minute, it works. When it forms exactly on the 1 hour, 4 hour, it works. Every time without a doubt. Am I clear? God, people are nuts. What's up, Pablo? Pablo, do you see that? Oh, I won't cuss Pablo. What's up, Jose? And Jose's wife. What's up, Metal Mind? Few more likes on TikTok. I made $1,500 already. I wasn't scared of me. Thanks, Kevin said Buchler. Hi, Kev. Hi, Metal Mind. What's up, Jose? I just want you to understand. Go back and watch the 2 previous videos where I called out exactly what was going to happen on YouTube and TikTok. You can go to YouTube. It's documented. I said buy stop 1 minute at market open. It shot up. I said there's still. I came back on. It's going to go. Come back over. Touch self. Come back up over here and reform this. Our logo right here, which is exactly what it did. I said it's going to go to the 5 minute or get close, which it's going to do right now, and it is. These are all my trades from the lives earlier today. All of these trades are from earlier this evening, this afternoon, period. All of them, including this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And they're all locked in profit, and you're all welcome. Every one of these were called out. Every one of these trades, down to my drawing. I left the drawing right here, and this is the damn drawing. If you look underneath the drawing, that's where it went up at. What the fuck? Even that one's pretty good for it, I got to be honest with you. There it is. And how do we know? Safety trade. What is this, everybody? Green, 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 red, green, green. Put a buy stop in right where I have it. Bam, it goes up. What did it do? Bam, it went up. Oh, but there's bank runs. Oh, but it's terrible. Oh, everyone's taking their money out. There's another bank closure. Oh. Let them all panic while we make money. Let them all panic while we're correct. Every time. They can panic while we make money. Yes, I know the financial system can collapse. I know that. I got it. I know it's the great reset they want. I got it. I'm not saying it's going to go up forever. I'm telling you right now, it's going to flip and turn back around. I said it's going to be close to a 30-minute, 1 hour. Right now, I can tell you it's going to be the 1 hour. It's going to go up and form at least a 30-minute. No, I think 1 hour. 1 hour sell stop. And then it's going to come back down. And what do I mean by that? This indicator will turn green. And then you'll see it fall and come back down again. Oh, but they called that because of the bad news. No, they didn't. I called it to go up. I called it to go up in the middle of all this bullshit. I said it's going up. The safety trade system told me it was going up. And guess what it's doing? It's about to close in the gap again, by the way, right here. This is going to close. Black, that's green, black space, yellow. It's going to close up by going up in price. It's going to go up right now before your very eyes yet again. There you go. Anybody got questions over that? You want to learn how to trade like me? Buy the damn system and learn how to trade like me. How about that? How about that? And you too can make these calls. Draw them out before they happen. Tell you with certainty what's going to happen before it happens. And I don't give a care what news they're telling you. I told you it was going up because the safe trade showed it and it went up. Clear? There is no other questions. You must work for the government. Definitely work for the government. Yeah, whatever. She said go buy for now. Even my wife can see the safe trade forming. Yes, she can. That's right. Gary Mundo. Hello. What's up, Gary? Amazing, brother. Well, if I work for the government, I think they hate me because I call out and they're costing them hundreds of thousands of dollars a day. Soon to be millions with everybody. But there it is. There it is going up right as I speak to you. I'll move this out of the way now, but it's going up right now as I speak to you. What is? Well, I don't know. The NAS I just said. What is? The SPX I just said. Where is it going to? I already called it to the blue line, the 1 minute. We're already there. We're heading over to the 5 minute. And that to me is close enough, by the way. You don't have to hold any longer. Once this touches the blue line, this moving average right here, it's just a blue line. Moving averages are just fake bullshit. They're just made up. It's just a pretend line, but that's where it's going to, or close enough in my mind. So if it gets any closer, it touches it, which again, I'm calling out NAS first touch, SPX second, and then US third, US 30 will be third. US 30 isn't close enough. That's why I'm holding on a little longer. SPX is close. NAS is very close. SPX is very close. Close enough, meaning does it have to go up and touch it? No, it's close enough. We have closure of this one right here. It's good. I like that. I like that a lot. But again, I'm not calling this to go, oh, it's going to go up forever. No, I'm not. I'm telling you exactly what it's going to do. It went up. Then it's going to go up and form a 1 hour. When you see this turn green on the 1 hour, it's going to flip and come back down again. Period. Oh, it's good because of the reset. We knew it was going to fall. No, you didn't. You didn't know it was going to go up. You didn't know it was going to fall. You know nothing. Get the safe trade systems. You actually know how to do it. You don't have to worry about all those idiots out there with their stupid, the government did this. The government does shit. Government knows nothing. Useless fucking whatever. All right, I'm done. What are you talking about buying? Talking about it already. What do you mean? What am I done talking about? 1 minute buy stop, all 3 indices. That was clear on my last 2 videos. You have no clue of what you're talking about. What are you talking about? Oh, I don't know. I've just said it 10 times. SPX going to its blue line. NAS going to its blue line. US 30 going to its blue line. Jose, take him out. Just take him out. Wow. Anyways, Techman, amazing brother, bank breaker, metal mine. Yep. All right, guys. Anything on TikTok? Have any questions? I'm done. I'm not here for you guys. You guys have fun all you want in your lives. I'm done with TikTok. See you. See you in the morning. All right. Anyone on TikTok that has any great questions or common sense questions or anybody that wants to ask anything? Dude, just called out freaking hundreds and thousands of dollars for you guys. Where's the proof? Right here. There it is. There it is. Those are trades I took. I don't know about you guys, but I took these trades tonight. I'm in them. There's my account. 1 of 7, by the way, to be clear. There it is. Bro, I want to trade with you. Feel free. You can buy the system. We've got hundreds of people in our group. Hundreds and hundreds of people. Actually, over 1,000 in the one, 450 in our actual purchase system. Because it works every day, every night. I called these trade out earlier today. I thought they'd break for you guys, sometime over the evening for you. But look at it go up. Look at it. Jesus. If you want to get this system, head over to safetytrade.com. It's right here. I don't care if you get it or don't. That's up to you. I don't really give a crap. Type it in right there. Get your system. Learn how to trade for once. Quit getting fear mongering. Quit all the news. I'm gonna trade the news. I'm gonna trade support and resistance. I'm gonna trade the fucking naming of candles. I'm going to trade Morningstar and Evening Stars. Are you mentally challenged? What are you talking about? You think trend lines work? You think support and resistance works? God. Really? Well, let me give you a hint. They know on Google for a fact it doesn't work because I typed it in for you guys and I pulled it up and I said, hey, Google, how many people lose? How many retail traders lose their money every day? What's the percentage? You know what Google told me? 90%, 97% of all of you lose your money. And I believe it's 99%. But 99% of all retail traders lose their money every day. That means everything you've been taught about support and resistance is wrong. Everything you've been taught about Fibonacci retracement is wrong. Fibonacci comes from the freaking flower petals on nature, and they're making you use it. What are you talking about? I did it for 6 years and I was wrong. I developed my own system and now I'm right. I'm right a lot. And by the way, do you see it going up with anyone here? How's it doing for you guys? Yep. Inching closer to that blue line. Which one did I say? We should take a horse betting race. Told you. I knew it was going to be NAS first. NAS is going to be first, touching its blue line in a 5-minute right there. What's the blue line? Something I invented over the years. Not telling you what it is. Buy the system, you can learn. Green, 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 red, green, green. It's all you need to know. It's all you need to know and you'll make money trading. Only pattern you need to find for a buy is this one right here. And it's trading to a blue line. Put your buy stop in. Make your money. Period. Done. There's your money. The system works so good and people don't get. I know, Pablo. The other side of details, please. What's up, Steven? No doubt. Buy the system, fellas. Yep. Numbers don't lie profit-wise. I love this power resonating. I have to pay attention, sir. Taking notes. Thank you and your team always. You're welcome, Metal Mine. Amazing, brother. Only had the system 2 weeks. Have tripled my 500 account. Only trading SPX 0.01. Perfect, Chad. You're listening to how to do it, Chad. You're listening to how to do it. You're only trading SPX 0.01. Thank you, Chad. Look at it. There's your money. And I would close. If you opened up 2 trades, Chad, close one down, keep the other one running. Period. And it's so simple to learn. Everyone out there wants you to learn this the hard way. Want to know how easy it is? We make fun of all the hard. Everyone wears suits and ties and doing all that. And it's so hard to make money. I'm going to teach you all how to do the trading right now. It doesn't take years like it did 6 years for me. You know how long it takes? 2 seconds. Look for this pattern. When the bottom indicator is green, 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 red, green, green. This one turns to red. Put a buy stop in. You see it right here? These are all 5-minute candles. Look at NAS 100 5-minute candle charts. Green, 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 red, green, green. You now know how to trade. When you see this, you open up a buy stop right where I did. Right here above the red line. Where did it go? It's going up towards the blue line. I made money. But surely it can't be that easy on US 30. The exact same thing forms on US 30. You can't maybe see it, but right here you can. There is green, green, green. That little dot is red. open up the buy stop right here, and up it goes. Oh, but surely it can't happen on SPX. So they're not any different. They're all the same. SPX, NAS, and US 30 are three different symbols that are the exact same symbol. Here's the money. Here's the proof. I do it every day. I have nearly 400 videos. Every day I've ever traded in the last 6 months is on YouTube. My YouTube has almost nearly 400 videos. Sorry, not over, but nearly 400 videos. And every one of my daily trades ever made is for 6 months documented in uneditable YouTubes. Every day you see this. Every day. Every day. Look at it. Oh, but you're holding it. How can you hold it? I'm holding sells right now because it's going to drop again. Hear me out. Until they hit my stop loss, which is take profit, I'm keeping the sells open. Yeah, try that on for size. You don't need price action, Edwin. You have no clue of what you're talking about. You don't even know what price action is. Get out of here. Get. All you need to do is go find your own place to talk. How about that? There you go, Edmund. You're blocked. All you need is you need to learn how to trade is what you need to learn. Price action. Get out of here. YouTube's right here. I'm not taking any more BS from anybody anymore. No one gets a free pass. No one. You come into my live, I'll shred you. If you want to go ahead and try to defend any of that 97% of losing trades, because I did it for 6 years. You can't bullshit me with your lies. You come in here and start talking that BS. I'll call you out in half a second. None of what you teach is true. They are deliberately teaching us the wrong things to lose. We've been taught for years and decades. I had a guy on the German floor, 34 years trading. He was there in 89 when the collapse happened. He didn't know how to trade after 34 years. It's a lie. Support and resistance, trend lines, all that is a lie. On any given day, type it in. Google says, not me, says that everything you've ever learned was a lie. If they taught you how to do trend trading, they lied to you. VWAP, they lied to you. If they taught you about naming candles, which is the silliest thing on earth, they taught you any of that stuff, they are lying to you. How do I know? Because 97% of you lose your trades every day. You can't bullshit me. I lost 99% of my trades before I invented my own system. It wasn't 97. But Google it. See how many retail traders make money. Only less than 3%, and I guarantee it's 1%. None of them make money. By the way, it's still going up as I'm talking to you, as I told you it would, because I know where it's going. How about that with authority? Telling you where it's going. There it is. Told you which one was going to hit first. Well, that one might not come true. But I did say NAS first and SPX, and I still say it. Look at it. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There they go. All of them going up again. All of them making you more money. Damn, that's real close. I might close down a couple of these. That's close enough for me. I'm good. I'm going to close down a couple trades right now. I'm good. I'm going to leave my sell stops open. I'm taking out, let's see, we'll take out, I'm keeping that one. I'm going to close down one of these, close down a NAS, close down another NAS. I'm keeping the SPX open. All right. And yes, I still have sells going right now, sell stops going. While this is going up, I'm still making money. Why would you ever close a winning trade? People, look at it go up. Look at it go up. Where's it going to, guys? You want me to zoom in a little bit so you get a better, closer look? Let's see right here. Oh, that's pretty damn close to that blue line I called out several hours ago. What do you think? Oh, yep. I think it is. All my trades are locked in profit. The buys, the sells, that doesn't matter. They're all locked in profit. All of them. I don't care if it dips down 3,000 points right now. I'm locked in with my stop losses. These trades are all risk-free right now. All of them. Look at it. There it goes. Before your very eyes, you're seeing it happen. Good luck in trying to argue with me. Good luck. How do you get the system? You get the system thing from over at safetrade.com. How do you get the system? Who hurt you, bro? Who hurt you, bro? Fucking Blackstone, BlackRock, Vanguard. Their little AIs over there, Adam and Aladdin. Their AIs hurt me for 6 years. I lost. 6 years I lost. That's who hurt me, bro. Go over here to buy it. You go over to the Safety Trade, all one word, thesafetytrade.com. Thesafetytrade.com to buy the system. $575 for the year. Read over exactly what you get and exactly what you have to do. This is the YouTube channel. I am not a financial advisor, nor do I ever want to be a financial advisor. These are the calls I made hours ago for you, all live on my YouTube channel. Which one? Oh, I don't know. The one that actually said something on there about tonight. You guys are funny. Watch. You can go over to my lives. You can click on it and you can see what I did. Bang, bang. This is one of them right here. This is the one I called. Oh, I'm so happy. I hated monetize the other way, but now that I'm monetized, the greatest thing ever. Here it is. Here is the video where I called it out on. Bang, Sunday 313 up 550 pips. That was hours ago. Okay. So yeah, there's your money. There it is. Go to YouTube. Don't be lazy. Go watch 390 videos. And you can buy the system right here if you want. I don't care if you do or don't. I'm just trying to help you all learn how to trade for once in your lives. Once in your lives. What's your win ratio? Bankroll again. Here you go. Bankroll. You know my win to loss ratio? Go over the YouTube channel right there. You can see it. The safety trade. Watch 390 videos. Every one of my trading days for the last 6 months is on YouTube Live. Every one of my trading days is there. Every trade I ever made. Go add up the win ratio for you. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead. Anybody want to speak up? What's my win ratio? Anyone on YouTube or TikTok? What's my win ratio? Go ahead and tell them. Go ahead and tell them. I'm not saying it because you guys are just lazy. Go find it yourself. You'll learn really quick what my win ratio is live every freaking day, Monday through Friday, that is. There it is. There's my win ratio. Damien says 100%. User 9099. Win ratio 97% to perfect, said Chad. There's your win ratio. I see this guy winning all the time. Pablo says, yeah. No, Pablo, tell him what my win ratio is. You've been following me enough. Is my win ratio 10%? Is my win ratio 60%? What's my win ratio? Go ahead. I trade live every day except for emergency days if we're traveling or something. And you don't understand. Go to the safety trade on YouTube. Watch my videos. I have over 390 videos of me trading Monday through Friday every day live. That is correct. Every day, Monday through Friday. I've missed probably like 5 or 6 days. I even was trading from a hotel bathroom once, through my car window once. I've done it everywhere I can to help you guys out. Every day, Monday through Friday. Raj, 100% on daily, every day for months, says Raj. Gary says 100% for the last 6 months, Pablo says. Pablo said 100%. I'm not telling you my win ratio. He's now 94% with this guy, says user. No, no, it's Alex. 100%, says Gary. Everyone wins laughter on that case. Everyone does win in that case. So you can't take the fact that I have people speaking up for me, telling you that it's 100% win rate. Can you help some of us don't have much money? Absolutely, it's made for beginners. I took a guy, Phil, who never traded anything in his life. Phil never traded anything in his life. Phil, in 3 months, learned how to trade. He took $2,500 into over $30,000 with receipts. Oh, matter of factly, hold on. Ho, 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 ho. Phil said in a testimonial right now. Ho, 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 ho. Dear Kevin, look, here's Phil's testimonial. Just sent this in to me the other day. Look, you want to read a testimonial? Let's take a look. Let me get rid of all this shit. Hold on, I got too much. Right here. This is Phil's testimonial, a gentleman who never had traded before in his life. This is Phil. This is an email I just received from him. Look, he told me I'm allowed to say this. Thank you for your quick help, even though you're on vacation in Vegas for 2 months. Without your system, I am lost. Today, I made over 15,000 euro. Your system changed my life. I stopped my well-paying job here. I made over $140,000 a year, and now I make between $50,000 and $75,000 a month with just your system. Thanks again, mate. And he sent over his actual proof of this trade that he made over $15,790. I wish you a great time in Vegas. Thanks, or cheers, Phil. And I said, Phil, that's fucking fantastic. And Phil said, yeah, go ahead, use it wherever you want. Thanks. I wish you was a great weekend. And Phil never traded before in a day in his life. Phil never traded a day before in his life. And here's his testimonial. Don't believe it. I don't care. There it is. Just received the other day, March 10th, 11:10 a.m., 2 days ago. There you go. And he didn't never trade before. Not options, not Forex, not Nadex, not Tradeovite, not Thinkorswim. And Phil's still making that kind of money. He quit a $140,000 a year paying job. Actually, with 75,000 a month, he's made more than me a few months. Jay Cochran, $100,000 a day he's made using the system. But sure, don't believe it. I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. In South Africa, I can only wish for that. You can use it in South Africa. We have one of my first people, I don't know if he's here tonight. He's been on with me for more than a year. Him and his wife are in South Africa. It is John and Susan Morey. They're from South Africa. I would start with 0. You have to start with 0 and learn. Hey, Cliff, what's up, buddy? Cliff, what's my win rate since you've been watching? How long have you been watching me, Cliffy? And what's my win rate on a daily scale? And triple my money just risking. There you go. Trad, what's your recommended a scout size? 0. I'll check it out later. I'm 6 dog. I hope you feel better, Slater. What is that red line, though? It's just a moving average. What is the red line, though? This is the best system ever, said user thing. Yep, I agree with you. Everyone does win in that case. 110% last last September. Hey, Kev, what's the recommended class size? None, but I would then, if you're going to insist on opening something, I would only have $200, trade SPX 500 only for 1 month, then go up in account size. I would start with $200 in my account is all I would say. Austin, here's what's the catch. You need to practice. There is no catch. It's called learning how to trade. Michael Pickens says 99.99% risk. Lee Montana says 1,000%. LT says 100%. Lost my ass over 50 accounts, safely earned cash. I don't see how people can doubt. I definitely don't. I bought system past 2 funded challenges. Metal Mind, go over to my the real safety trade on TikTok and speak up, please. Um, he's telling you that he has won. He has passed 2 funded challenges in 5 days. I've traded 4 years now coming up. Please come over to TikTok and speak up. The best win ratio. Outstanding, says Nedler. The catch? Catch is by the system, yeah, that's all. I'm on demo, the numbers are insane. I'm buying as soon as I can. Thank you, Quantum. You need to practice on demo. You do need to practice. I'm not I make it look easy. Well, I invented the system over 3.5 years ago, right? I've been trading the system myself, right? So I've been using the system way longer than any of you, and you still have to practice, but it isn't hard. If you can recognize what's right inside of this little thing right here, watch. These little lines right inside it. You can see inside of here, right here, where it shows green, 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 red, green, green, open up a buy stop above the line and it goes up, you win. How about that? The only catch is you have to forget everything you've ever thought you knew about trading, buy the system, be patient. Some guys, Tommy, Tommy made $12,000. Yeah, he just had a baby. Congratulations, Tommy. I only said that because he posted in our Discord. But he made $15,000 probably within 30 minutes of finishing or training. Other people, some people takes. There's a husband and wife twice. They took about 4 months before they learned how to trade. But here it is, yet again, against everything. Do you guys understand what's happening in the news? Runs on the bank. Bitcoin's going to collapse because it's going to blah, 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 and this and that. I'm not saying it's not going to go down. I'm telling you, the safety trade has shown that it's buy stop, by the way, 5-minute buy stop, 15-minute buy stop, 30-minute buy stop to the 1 hour line, which we called out, man. I would never trade Bitcoin without it. Now you're developing a 4-hour safety trade down. Bitcoin will eventually fall soon, but not yet. Put your sell stop below here. I would put it around 21,383.58. Aggressively, non-aggressively, put it down at 21,092 or 21,000 even. Sell stop, but it ain't yet. Put it down there and wait. Be patient for Bitcoin to fall. I'm not telling you these trades are going to go up further. I'm telling you the complete opposite. I literally told you what's going to happen before hours ago in 2 live YouTube videos that can't be changed. 1-minute buy stop, you're currently in. 5-minute, 15, 30-minute, 1 hour. It's going to be a 1 hour, actually. 30-minute, 1 hour. Sell stop, all 3 indices. But right now, we're making money and it's easy, and you can learn the trade. I closed down several of my trades. I left these open. These are the only ones that are currently open now. Close enough. I'm not super greedy when it comes to this shit. That's close enough to me. We're near the blue line. I'm comfortable with that shit. Look how close. Kissing cousins right there. It's close enough for me. I'm gonna close down. I'm not closing down them all. Why would I? These are risk-free trades. If the market turns, goes 200 points down, who the fuck cares? I'm gonna hit it and take my money. Hit it and take my money. Hit it, take my money. And then on top of that, I still have these sell stops in from last week. Unless it goes up here and hits that, I'm taking it. Okay? So you guys just got to learn the system. It's so easy to trade once you do. Trading used to be hard. I know the feeling. Trust me. It is not hard anymore. It is beyond easy, actually. Super easy. Every day for 6 months, all my trades are on YouTube. Go watch them. There you go. I'm up $56 and I've been with you a while. Tommy's been with me a while. That is correct. He's been with me probably coming up on a year. I win 30% trades in a row, so yes, I know people can win. Okay, what 82% is fine, Bankro. If you're happy, then get out of here. We don't need you. Thank you very much. Yes, Tommy's been with me a while. That is correct. Yes, you can use system. You put your is a regular size laptop. Yes, it is. A regular size laptop is enough. Can use system Webull. What you would do is load it on a demo account on Eagle FX. It's made for Eagle FX. Right here, let me pull this up for you guys so you can get a fight. Let me move this all out of the way. Yeah. Crazy. Let me grab it here. All right, let me show you this. Not a financial advisor, it's just for fun. I can only tell you to do demo trades on my live. I obviously have 7 different live accounts I use, all different. YouTube channel, thesafetytrade.com, or sorry, the safety trade. Learn about the system at safetrade.com. But I do want you guys to be aware scammers do not, I will never, ever contact you first. Never, ever, ever. But this clown over here will try to whenever I'm live. He's getting blocked and banned. And actually, hopefully, the guy we have investigating him right now is going to take him out. His computer is completely destroyed. Kev's trading dot. Oh, I can't say it. You're right. He's a scam artist with a dot right here. We'll never contact you first, ever. We always protect our people. Don't ever think we're gonna contact you first, we never will. You contact us, we'll contact you back, that's all. Alright, now, where were we? That's about it, I'm about done. Just fun coming on here, seeing these wins. Now, I'm gonna leave you with a thought again, unless someone else on TikTok has a question. You can go over to my TikTok, or go over to YouTube and follow for later. These trades will continue to go up until they touch that blue line, or they're pretty close, like I closed mine out. You might wanna close most of yours out. Either or on that. Look at that money tonight. Wow. Whatever. Don't really care if you believe or don't believe. I'm not here to convince anyone of shit. Follow it. Watch me do my lives every day and watch me make money for all of you. I give away my signals for free. Free when I could be charging thousands and tens of thousands. Hell, I don't even have to give it. I didn't even let you guys have the system for the first 2 years, 2.5 years, a little over 2.5 years when I had the system. I kept it to myself and made money for myself. I just want to see this finish up and go up and finish this movement up, and then I'll probably jump. All right. TikTok, anyone? Lost over 15 accounts. When they're in cash. Trading on my own for 4 years was hell. I know. It's horrid. I did it for 6 years. I had guys trade on their own for 20, 23 years, 34 years. Crazy. Can you use this? Yes, we can. Can you use system on Thinkorswim? 100%. Tommy, there's a lot of guys that we have that use the system on. You load it on Eagle FX demo or live, whatever you want to do, but demo. Then you trade off of anything you want. Tradervite. Jose's here. He makes a shit ton of money off of Tradervite, doing many future things, whatever the hell they are, right? We have guys. I love Nadex. Look at it go up. Look at it go up. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up again before your very eyes. Look at it go up on NAS. Look at it go up on SPX. Look at it go up. Boom, bank. There you go. Some more money for you guys. Told you. Told you. Told you. I don't know anyone else. Look at the. Oh, we might have a third place. Ooh, I don't know. Might have US 30 bringing up the rear here. Maybe it's going to take over. We'll see. US 30 sometimes does that. Look at the money going up before your very eyes. I need to really get this shirt. Everything live, every day live. That's your money. Let me get this out of the way. There's too much. Look how much fun. Can you use things investments you load before and trade wherever you want using its calls? Correct, Raj. I'm going to learn. We watch YouTube until I can afford this. There you go, Pumpkin. Pumpkin, you can do it. Absolutely. I will help you in every way possible. We have many, many people actually do this, and then they scam, steal my stuff, and then they get system. No, you don't buy Eagle FX. Eagle F is free. And my first gray hairs was trading shit until I about safety trade. So tell them that, right? Look at it. Look at it go up before your very eyes. NAS, US, SPX. Look at NAS. Where's NAS at? Almost to its blue line. There you go. But we will help you. Where'd you go? Logo on the front, buy the damn system on the back. Thank you. But yes, Pumpkin, anything we do to help you, please go over to YouTube and follow, subscribe over there, and you'll get my alerts for when I go live. The cost is $575 a year, but it's just dirt cheap. I've raised the price every time. We're just getting so busy. I have to. There's hundreds and hundreds of people buying the system, and I still train you all. $575. You can learn about exactly what you need to do in there. See where it says alerts here? You can sign up for the alerts here. That's fine. But the YouTube ones are better because every time I go live on YouTube, boom, it's immediate. The alerts go straight out. That's why I recommend subscribing to the YouTube channel and getting alerts from there. I forget sometimes. Sometimes I don't do it for like an hour or two. I usually get around to, but sometimes I forget. But anyway, if you type in one word, thesafetytrade.com into Google, you can read all about it. And yes, it works. And yes, it's amazing. It's all you can. You're seeing it every day for 6 months. Holy fucking shit. Yeah, it's crazy right there. YouTube done already. Says awesome. YouTube. Is it crashing tomorrow at the bell? We don't trade like that. Have to wait and see what system says. Correct, Raj. That's correct. I'm gonna wait, sir. Got to find my tablet. Okay, Metal Mine. Outstanding. Darb Dave, I've never seen a loss in a month. In fact, he even won a trade. He forgot, so he made technically it's over 100% of my experience. Hi, Kev. Good to be back. New system rocks. 3 hours and 100% win. Awesome, Stevie. Congratulations. And Darb Dave is right. Last weekend, I forgot about a trade. Not this past weekend, but I forgot I had opened a trade. I got an account, one of my statements from Eagle FX saying, I'm up $440. Like, what the fuck? And it was $440 trade that it opened up because they do buy stops, sell stops in 7 different accounts, right? Well, not all the time, but 5, 6, 7 different accounts. And one of the accounts they opened up a buy stop on, I forgot I had it in there. It was up $440. I was laughing my fucking ass off. I was like, what? I even made money when I didn't even know the trade was happening. Fucking awesome. All right. What is this? An AI bot? No, it's something I created. I Metal. Oh, Zaddy, you're Metal Mine. I didn't know that, Zaddy. I'm sorry. Cool. What's up, Precious? I'm all done. I know I've been on too long. I said 15 minutes. Sorry. I'm done. All right. So is it going to crash tomorrow? I'm going to leave you guys with this thought. I'm going to mark the spot again. I'm going to write it out again. I'm drawing it out again. I told you what it was going to do. It's not finished yet. This is a finished 5-minute buy stop to the blue line. Is it to the blue line yet? No. Is it close enough that I close down some of my trades? Yes. Will it keep going up to the blue line 5-minute? I think so. I think we're going to get really, really close again or touch. I called out blue line 5-minute NAS first, SPX second, and US 30, if at all, third. If it even gets that high, we'll see. After that, after the 1-minute buy stop, I am calling out directly for you guys. No longer am I saying a 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour sell. You can literally see right now with your own 2 eyes what this is. This is a 30-minute, 1-hour sell, but I believe you're going to finish with a 1-hour, 4-hour sell. Sell stop, 30-minute. How do I know? Because you can see colors. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop below line. I have mine set up right here. 30-minute sell stop, US 30. 30-minute sell stop, NAS 100. Yep, 30-minute sell. They're all the same. Did you notice? Red, 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 green, red, red. Sell stop, SPX. I think it's going to continue to go up a little bit further, though, and then fall. I hope to God we can see the green form on the 1 hours. If we can see this indicator turn green and the rest of these ones right here stay red, y'all are going to be super rich because that's the same thing that happened over here. I called Friday and all the pips. I'm sorry, Thursday on this one. All the pips you would have gotten on that was over 1,200. It will do that again, plus some when this turns green right here. So I truly believe we'll see a little bit more of an up. Maybe not, but I think so. And then it's going to fall. And then when it falls, we'll be ready. It'll be a 30-minute, 1-hour sell stop is what I'm calling. If you don't know what that means, get the system so you understand that you put your sell stop below the line right here. That's below line SPX 500, NAS 100, and US 30. So again, calling them out before they happen, giving you guys hours of heads up on this. I don't know what else I can do. There is still a buy stop all day for all three, but I don't give a fuck about that. That's like way down the road. That's Warren Buffett trading. No one does that shit. No one cares about it. So you're on a 1-minute buy, 5-minute buy to the blue line. Then you're going to be doing a 1-hour sell. If you don't want to do these buy ups, then just wait for the sells. No big deal. It'll come back down again. Always does. And then it will come back up again, no matter what they try to tell you. Absolutely, it does. All the time, it does. No fear of missing out over here. They form left and right all day long. Eagle FX, proof in the pudding, take it. Thank you, Zaddy. Thank you, Metal Mind. Never seen listen one. Hi, Kev. Good to be back. All right. Anybody on TikTok have anything? Anything at all? Because I'm going to leave you guys on TikTok with those thoughts. See, I'm heading over to the YouTube channel for a few more minutes in case someone has questions over there. The safety trade is the YouTube channel, and that's where you should go to if you want to follow up with a little more extras. Love your system. You're welcome. User 36619, you're welcome. Love your system, says Alex. Oh, Alex, what's up, buddy? You do so good. Cliff says thanks, and Bree. Cliffy said thank you, Bree. Bree said thank you, Cliffy. All right, I'm going to leave you guys with a thought. To the blue line, all three indices that we trade. 1 minute buy stop, 5 minute buy stop, same thing. It's going to still form up. It's still doing this right here. Literally drawn out. I didn't move that thing. It was literally left there from the last YouTube. That is so fucking funny to me. They're all moving up at the same time. Again, I'm going to do a horse race. I'm calling NAS. NAS to the blue line, although it's so fucking close. Second place will be SPX. Third will be US 30. Doop. There we go. All right. I'm out of here. Don't forget about those 30-minute, 1-hour sell stops across the board. How much it can go down tomorrow. Where do I find out more? Thanks, Kevin. David. What's up, David? You asked first. You can go over to here and find out more. Type in one word, thesafetytrade.com right there. Can you see that? I don't know. It's kind of messy. I got too much shit on my screen. Okay. Thesafetytrade.com. That's where you can go to find out more. Then you click on learn about the system and you can learn all about it. Everything we do, everything you need to do. It's all right there. You will be signing an NDA. Do not mistaking that as a non-disclosure agreement. That is enforced, by the way. Matter of fact, we smashed some guy the other day. God, you can't go around trying to promote something that's not yours. I own the rights. This is trademarked. This is patent pending system. You will not get away with it. I guarantee you. I have lawyers out that will crush you. Safetytrade.com is where you go to buy the system every year. Pay $575. You'll get small group training with me on how to use it live, and you'll get all the indicators you see me using. You will learn how to trade for once in your effing life. You'll learn how to trade. That I will not stop with. You get unlimited lifetime. So as long as I'm alive, you're going to get training once a week live with me in small groups. Live with me. I'm going to train you up once a week, every week until you absolutely get sick of seeing me or you do really good on your trading. Some of my guys who do real good never come on anymore. They're making money on their own. Okay. Do you worry about news trading? News is bullshit. How much can it go down tomorrow, says JP Lopez. Tomorrow? Well, I don't know about tomorrow, but it's going to go up to the 1 hour. Let's see. Then it's going to come back down to the daily. It can come all the way down to here, if this is what you're asking me. 11,289. 11,289 for US 30. Where can NAS go down to? NAS can go down to, oops, that might have been NAS. Sorry, hold on. Yeah, it was. US 30 is down to 30,455 or lower, by the way. You just asked me for the day. SPX can go down to 3,683. I'm not saying it will. Do not get confused in what you're asking me and what's happening. We only trade safety trades. So right now you're in a 1 minute, 5 minute buy to the blue line. I'm telling you right now, it hasn't gone down. It's gone up since I went on live, even though all that news is breaking and this is horrible and this is terrible. I told you it was a buy. We're in a buy and it isn't done going up yet. Does that mean it's not going to go down? Of course it's going to go down. You just have to wait. I actually drew this out a long time ago for the 1 hour. It's going to go up to the 1 hour. Go back and watch my videos. It's all right there. All right. Was your setup cheaper at some point? It was. It was a lot cheaper at some point. It keeps going up and up and up, and nor is it ever going to come down. I don't know what 8% is. Was your setup cheaper? It was. Matter of fact, when I first started on TikTok over a year ago, it was free. I was trying to teach all of you for free. You know how many people took advantage of it? 0 of you. Says, fuck that. I didn't even start selling the system. I just started making my call outs. And then I think it was John Moray, who I trained. I thought, oh, he's so nice. I feel like training. That's a nice guy. And then from there, I started training more and more people, and it just grew and grew and grew. And as it grown, I can't keep up with the demand. Matter of fact, we finally got something worked out with a small brokerage house who will be utilizing the system through their brokerage house now. That's the first one of many, I'm sure, that's coming. Okay. Sounds like you're saying you're never wrong. Nope. Mike Karn. You go ahead and look back up here in front of the messages and see what the other people are saying. Mike Carney Buffalo, you go ahead and say it. I'm not saying a word. I'm telling you that the system is 100% non-repayable, and you can go back and check it for yourself. You can see this trade right here is correct. You can say NAS 100 is correct. You can see that SPX was correct. Every one of the call outs never changes. None of these things change. I would never use a repainting indicators. You paid me a fucking $1 million. I hate repainting indicators. They're the scourge of trading. None of these things repaint. When you see this system, it never changes once. If you have enough memory in your system, you can go back a year. You can back test this yourself and see if it's correct or not and how often it's correct. Do it yourself. Or listen to the people who are actually trading with me and tell you what the win rate is. In my country, that's $10,000. Pumpkin, you just contact us. We work out something. Believe it or not, he wins daily. You can watch until you believe. I know, Raj. Isn't that funny? His students are telling you that is correct. No, I'm not saying that. You want to know how you can lose there? Since you're so focused on losing, Mike, we don't focus on losing, but here's how you lose with the system. This could be a W right here. Let's say this came down right here, came up, and you know what a double bottom is or a W, it came down further. You will lose the battle because you put your stop loss right here. These are too thick. Hold on a second. I hate drawing like that. Give me a second. Watch. You lose the battle but win the war. The price comes down. Price came up, engaged our buy stop, came down lower, then came back up. You will lose this trade right here. But if you're not stubborn, you'll go right back into the trade and win it right there because it always comes right back up. It could be a triple bottom, could be a triple top, whatever it is, double top, M's in your terminology, probably W's if that's what you're used to. So for instance, if it was an M like this, it comes up, doop, and then this is your stop loss right here, and you didn't know any better, you could have put it right there. Depends on how well you know how to trade. But if this is 1 minute trades, now these are 1 hour trades. 1 hour trades, I have never seen it miss in over 3.5 years, ever. They don't have time to draw it up like this. 1 minute, 5 minutes, they can do that bullshit with a double top, triple top, making an M, draw it again, poof, and then drop it down, whatever. So no, you can absolutely lose one battle, but you will absolutely, my daily win rate is my daily win rate. Quit being lazy. Quit trying to talk about it. Go over to my safety trade and watch 390 videos and see if my daily win rate is 100% or not. How about that? There you go. Do it yourself. You don't have to be lazy. Don't be lazy. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to the 10 people, 20 people, 30 people just told you. Go over to the YouTube channel and watch 390 videos yourself. Actually, I think I have 400 now. Real near 400. Every day for the last 6 months, my daily trades are on YouTube. Got it? Go over there. Enough of your negativity now. See ya. And I haven't been trading for 10 years. I said 9. How does the system respond? NFP, non-farm payroll. How does it respond? Well, it happened Friday, and we made hundreds and thousands of dollars. It predicts NFP and earnings and FTMOC and all the other BS, CPI, CFI, CPQ, QPR, RPS. It eats it up. The system predicts it with 100% accuracy, and you always win. Period. Always. Cool. That's what I like, said everyone. Goodbye, Steve. So it's like bot. Nope, Vance, it is not a bot. It's called you learn how to trade and you take responsibility for your own trading actions. That's what this is. This is you learning how to trade for once in your life. For once in your life, you're going to learn how to trade and not rely on support and resistance. Not trade the news, not look to the left, not look to the left. You know why? Because if you type in Google how many retail traders lose every day, you're going to get a number. What are you going to get? 97% of you lose. And I bet you that's 99%. And I was one of those for 6 years. 97% of all day traders lose their money every day. 97%. And I say it's 99. Every one of you relies on support and resistance. Doesn't work. Oh, well, trend, volume, VWAP doesn't work. Fibonacci retracement doesn't work. Ascending, descending wedges doesn't work. Trend lines doesn't work. I'm not telling you that. The results are here. All of you rely on all of that training like I did. 97% of you lose your trades every day. Google telling you that. Wake up, guys. They've lied to you. They've scammed you out of money year after year for 6 years for me, but that ain't nothing. I'm telling you right now, I have guys 34 years that I'm training to win now. 23, 26, 21 years they lost. I was dying. I thought, oh my God, you lost for 16 years. Then I met someone who was 23 years. And then I met someone that lost for 34 years. I'm like, oh my God, I didn't even know the fucking stock exchange was around back then. 1989, he was a runner in Germany stock market when the collapse hit. He was a runner. You don't know what that means, but he actually used to fill orders on like by hand. Don't ask. Yes, it was like that. And 34 years later, he's learning how to trade. Yeah, I know. Isn't that crazy? I felt so bad. I'm so glad he's winning now, though. He's going to win with this. Thank God. Look at that. How beautiful that is, right to the blue line. Oh, I wish we get a kiss and a little touch right there. All right. So does anybody else on TikTok have anything to go? I got to go. I'm heading over to my YouTube channel right here. I'm going to stay over there for a few minutes as I always do. Plus, you get better alerts over on the YouTube. Subscribe to it over there. The Safety Trade is the YouTube channel. I'm going unless someone else on TikTok has a question. All right, guys. Thank you all. Hope you have a great night on TikTok. Enjoy yourselves. Hope you make some money. Again, I'm very specific with authority, according to what's his face from South Park. I'm telling you where it's going to go. It went. I'm telling you what it's going to do. I'm not a financial advisor, but here it is. It's going to go up to that blue line or close, and I think it's close enough. That's why I closed down a lot of mine. And then the sell comes in. This is your sell stop. Oof. Is it going to drop? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go down? Well, I'm telling you right now, I told you it was going to go up against everyone else saying it was going to go down, and it went up. Now I'm telling you it's a 30-minute, 1-hour sell stop. How do you know? It's easy. If you can see colors, red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop below the line and wait for it to come down. If it never comes down, we're still in our buy stops. Just remember that. So don't worry about it. Jeez. It's going to go back up, though. You're about to see this fill in the gap right here. It's going to fill up. Doop, doop. And if it comes up over this line again, you're about to make some more money. I can't call it because it didn't form a true. Nope. It's just filling the gap right here. Yep. So you're just going to wait. Either it's going to come up a little further and fill this gap in, which I think to the 5-minute line here, right there. And it's also a little farther away. I wouldn't mind this pulling back down again and then coming up. I would prefer that if it would do that. I don't know if it will. It's no volume late at night. I'd prefer this to occur again. So you want this, our logo to occur. It's up here. I prefer it to come down and then back up on the 5-minute, but I don't always get what I prefer. So that's all we got. All right, guys, out of here. This dude is a liar. Bankrow. You're right. I'm not trying to help people. I don't give away my free time. Everyone defends me when I'm not even looking. So there you go. You're right. I'm the liar. So I used to get mad at these people, but now I feel sorry for them. It's pitiful what they have to go through. And they think that their trading technique that's lost them money is the truth. Good luck on that, bro. The dude's a liar. The dude's a liar, Bankrow says. Joke's on you. You're awesome. Thanks, bro. You're welcome. What's the lie? He's still holding on to his old beliefs that, NFP matters, that news matters. If news matters, then explain to me, guys, why Bitcoin right now is, by the way, a buy stop. It's going to go up again, is going to be going up. And why did it go up ever since this afternoon when I called it? I told you it was going up and Bitcoin went up. How can Bitcoin be going up with all this shit news? Well, it's not. It's not going to continue to go up. It's forming a 4-hour, 1-hour, 4-hour sell stop, just like the indices are. It will drop. It just hasn't dropped yet. And I called the buy. And then in about, 4 o'clock in the morning, it's hard to pinpoint it when I'm sleeping. I would say about 4 o'clock to 9:30, then the shit will drop. I wish I could do better. If I was awake, then I can tell you right before it happens. But right now I cannot do that. I mean, it's a little tricky at that point. I can't be that specific, but I can call exact candles when I'm trading. It's just that I can't call exact candles like 7-8 hours before they happen. That's a little even much for the system. What's up, Biggs Papa? All right. Anything else on TikTok? Night Metal Mind. You deserve everything for your consistency, said John Murphy. Thanks, John. What's up, buddy? You can do swing trades. I hold trades all the time for 2 or 3 days. You know that, ML. All right. I'm going to go then. See you guys. TikTok. God bless. Good luck with everything. Last thing I'm going to leave you is 1 minute, 5-minute buy stops to the blue line on all 3 indices. And then the 5-minute sell stop. It's actually a 30-minute, 1-hour sell stop. 30-minute, 1-hour sell stop on all 3 indices. See you guys. All right. YouTube, anything you want. Anything you want on YouTube. Anything you guys got questions on. Anything at all. Go ahead and ask them now before I go. Anyone have any questions for me? Anyone at all? Okay. Anyone got anything? With futures can make even more. Absolutely, Joe Gold. I love you, says Russell Brown. You're welcome. Do you have stage trades, daily time frames? Night Kev. Night Metal Mind. All right, guys. So no questions from anybody on YouTube. I'm going to head out then. Yet again, this is so much fun. Yet again, we made so much money. Oh, what a blast. Why crypto and not stocks? No, we do stocks. Well, hold on a second there, Mighty Mo. Let me show you something about what we do. Not only do we do it, but we do it with class. Now we do it with fun. We actually have this right here. Let me see if it's up and running. There you go. You can see this on YouTube. Not only do we do stocks, we do in. You can see right here because you're on YouTube. You can see all this. There is a UK 100 sell stop. You can pull it up by picture. You don't understand how great the scanner is. This system is the most outstanding system in the world. And the scanner, look at it. What do you think a red down arrow says to check? Is it a sell? Yes, that's what it's telling you. It's new. Look at it. That will blink for 1 minute. So not only we do indices and gold and oil, we do Forex and all crosses. Look, you see them all. Look, one up here, one over here. You see it? The scan, look, this is a down one. Look, click on it again. What is it doing? Oh, is that a buy? It is. That's a sell stop. Boom, there it is. What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it doing? Okay, now it's going to do indices and Forex. It does crypto. We weren't even trading crypto. Why would you even say that? People always look for the bullshit excuses of some kind of thing, which we weren't even trading crypto. Get the fuck out. And it does stocks too. There's your stocks, Amazon, Facebook. Ask your questions properly or I will take you out. You'll be blocked from here. Am I clear? Don't ask with disrespect. Don't ask with disrespect. This is incredible. My dashboard, you can program it to watch just a few of them if you like. The indice top 10s, the Forex top 10s, the crypto top 10s, the stock top 10s, top 10, 1 minute, 5 minute, 50 minutes. Are you kidding me? So if you only like to trade the 1 hours and look at the symbol, Google, whatever, Coke and Dash and Airbnb and see what the 1 hours are. If you only like to trade 5 minutes, you can see those too. It's the best thing in the history of the world. I don't want to hear it. You have Keith to thank for this and Spidey to thank for this scanners. It's utterly, they're watching hundreds of symbols for you at one time to trade like me with a confirmation picture and symbols and alerts and newness to tell you when to trade. Oh my God. This artificial intelligence, the way they're trading and teaching to trade is almost to the point of absurdity if you can't make money. Absurdity. Look what it's doing for you. Look. UK one, there it is. Look at it. Nothing has been like this in the history of trading. Nothing. That's how great the system is. It's all full of rules. Thank you, Keith. Everyone should be saying thank you. Can I trade SPY with this? Do you even know what SPY is? Yes. It's called SPX. You can trade SPY with this. So what we do all day long is trade SPX, US 30, and NAS. Yes, sir. You absolutely can trade SPY with this. It's called SPX 500 in our lingo. It's right there. There's your SPX. There's your times. That's what it calls for. Look at this. Buy stop 1 minute. Buy stop 5. It's just fantastic. You guys should be thanking Keith a lot. All right. Anyone else on YouTube have any questions? And ask them correctly. I'm not here to play around with you guys. This isn't me to be nice. This is me to get you to make money and learn how to trade for once in your life. I'm not here to be your best friends. A lot of you consider me my best friends or whatever, and I'm here to help you in any way humanly possible. And if that means tough love, where you learn how to trade for yourself and you learn how to make answers for yourself instead of pawning things off on people, I'm going to call you on it. You're going to need to learn how to be personally responsible for your trades. I will teach you how to trade. I will give you a scanner that will I don't give it to you at $50 a month for 2 problems, but you can still get the scanner. And it will show these for you. Then all you have to do is open up the damn chart, look at it and say, hey, yeah, that's correct. Or no, that isn't correct. I'm telling you, it trades like me 95% of the time. It's trading exactly like me. It's unbelievable the scanners are. My goodness, SPY. Yes, a trade SPY. We make tens of thousands. Talk to Jose, talk to Ken, talk to Tommy, talk to Goroff, talk to Tibor, talk to everybody that uses this system trading that way. Oh, and Alex over there on TikTok too. He uses it trading SPY all day long. They just trade SPY. I do it. Kent's looking for his logo in short. Yeah, I know it is, but how do you explain that to people? I have rules. The rules are right here. You literally, you have the rules for trading. You follow the rules. Well, this computer, this robot, is following the rules that I created. So the robot right here is follow. Oh, I forgot I can show you guys large too. These are our rules. So this is the perfect safety. What it is looking for, scanning for, is the perfect safety trade sell stop or buy stop. And it follows the rule on the 1 minute chart, on the 2 minute chart, on a 3 minute. It reads all of my rules, and that's what it's scanning for. So it scans to trade just like I do. And then it also, if it teaches you to go by your 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and so on, then the most important rule of all is you always thank God, always do good with your profits, and always have my back and speak up on my lies when I ask you to. Always, I don't care if God is Jesus, Muhammad, or Flying Spaghetti Money, you always give thanks to God. I didn't have to share this with you. I didn't have to take my time to teach you this. I had the system for 2.5 years, 3 years before I even gave it to you. I made my money. I'm good. I'm set. Now, if you guys want to learn to trade, then thank God and then do good with your money. I always start with family. I don't care if it's a niece or a nephew or a daughter or someone hasn't talked to me in 12 years. I don't care. I'm still helping out my family first. And then I expand my circle to my dear friends and the people I don't know. And then always have my back. I didn't even ask you the last several days to do that, but that's what that would be. And those are your rules. So it's looking to scan for my rules of how to trade. Thank God always. Yep. All right. Go, Naz, go. Oh, is Naz finishing out his run? Oh, is it? Let's see. Nope, SPX isn't there. Let's see, Naz. Oh, we're almost there. Bam, there's the money. I closed out most of my trades, dang on it. Oh, I can show you guys the whole trade. There you go. There it is. Look at it. Where did I say it was going? Who was the first one to touch it? I said Naz 100, first to touch this blue line. Bam, baby. It's getting so good now I can actually go, ooh, damn, SPX is bringing up the rear, though. What's US 30 do? I'm assuming it's running to. Yep, there it comes. Oh, damn, US 30. Don't you come up, US 30. Naz. Oh, yeah, Naz for the win. It's almost there. If I zoom in enough like that, it's there. Look at that. Boom, baby. You're welcome, all of you. It's tickling the blue line. It is. It's like giving a little French kiss over there. His name is Alive Bankrupt. These guys are nuts over on TikTok. They're trying to say I'm not Kevin Grego. Good luck, dicks. How often do you go live? Sign up for my subs here and you'll see, but it's tonight was 3 times. I usually don't go live on Sundays at all. I go live Monday through Friday, usually at least twice, if not 3 or 4 times. Damn, that's close. You're welcome. Yep. Again, don't thank me. Thank God. Thank the system and thank Bri. Because without her, I wouldn't be here. I'm not doing all this shit that you guys have me doing. She handles all the bullshit, and I get to train you guys and trade with you guys. She does everything else to make this possible. Bri is my fiance. We've been together 4 years, a little over, and she is a special, kind, good person. And whenever she writes you an email, you guys better treat it with the same authority as you do me, because I'm telling you, she doesn't have to play any of this either. We're living in Vegas for 2 months. We're doing okay. We're heading to Hawaii next year. We're doing okay. We were in Florida for 6 months last year. We're doing okay. So we're just trying to help you all out. I need you guys to be respectful, always kind. Don't email us for every little thing. You can figure things out on your own, okay? We're going to help you out. We give you freaking video, step-by-step instructions on what to do. But then there's a point of personal responsibility where you guys are going to have to kind of, act like adults and follow through. And this is what we show you. This is actually the form you get. It'll start off with a welcome, and then it will turn into you have to do this. Most of our new clients can and do follow simple instructions, but there is always that 1 or 2 out of 10 that do not follow the most simplest of instructions. So I will need you to type the following exactly. I will follow the exact instructions of this form. Then it goes in here for the NDA. Then it goes over thing. And it's video. Everyone is a video. So if you can't do with the video, I can't. Don't buy the system. It is literally set up. So then when the time you're all done, we'll be ready to meet, right? And there's a little stop. You stop there. Then when we're ready to meet, you have rules for that and how to install everything. And then we do our nice little small group mini training class and everyone learns. It's utterly amazing. It's so nice. You need to have your rules in front of you. You can't be late to the meeting, blah, 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 blah. But that's it. We give you everything. We spell out everything for you. And yeah, some of the people still have challenges with that. It's quite sad. I can't believe I'm dealing with adults that can't follow simple instructions. But again, 80, 90% of you handle it correctly. Just some of you do not. That's all. With 500, I've tripled it, said Chad. Awesome job. Because I'm working Monday through Friday, van life. Awesome. How risky are the trades? Just go back, van life, and see for yourself. He's trying to tell you, everyone here is telling you, the risky of the trades is more or less an old way of looking things. You'll see that this an individual over 90% win rate on a daily win rate for the last 6 months. Every day on here, I'm 100% win rate. 100% win rate. And again, I'm only telling you this on YouTube because if I say that on TikTok, they're a bunch of morons and I'm just going to hear a bunch of shit, which I don't have time for. I'll just leave, which I did actually. Look at how close we are in touching right there. Poof. What a thing of beauty. I guess I can move that. Look at that. Oh, so close. I say, is that a touch? No one ever really said that. Nope. Nope. Damn, it's so close. Almost there. Let me see. SPX still coming too. It is. US 30 still coming. All right, we're going to leave it at SPX. All right. Does anybody have any questions on YouTube then before I go? Still holding out. The NAS will hit first. SPX will be second. US 30 will be third. Do not forget for 1 second that there is a 5-minute, 15-minute. So it's actually a 30-minute, 1-hour sell stop, all three indices. Okay. There it is. There's my call here. You're currently in a 1-minute buy stop right here to that blue line on the 5-minute blue line on all three indices. All right, I'm going to pull this back here, and I'm not a financial advisor. Don't ever forget that. Only demo trade. All right. Correct, Chad. It's true, says Russell Brown. Check his user's van life to understandable. Proofs in the video. He picks a couple random and watch. He wins every time. I know it's pretty fucked up. I couldn't win to save my life 6 years ago, but now guess what? Or 3 years ago. Now guess what? I'm right as we watch. There you go. You're about to see this final push right there. Boop, right to the blue line. Boop, right to the blue line. Boop, right to the blue line. These are my trades that I'm in. Yes, I'm still in buys. And yes, I'm still be in sells. Unless my sells get tapped out, I'm still in sell stops. Yeah, I am. There's one right there. Right here. I'm still in a sell. Unless this gets tapped out and hits my stop loss, I'm still in a sell while I'm in a buy. You can do what's called hedging in this Eagle FX account. Yes, you can. You can actually do that with Nadex. You can buy one time frame buy and another time frame sell in Nadex. You can do that too, actually. So it's not unheard of, but I just like to hold. I never get rid of a winning trade. Never, ever, 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 ever. I'll take out a couple when it gets to the blue line. I'll hold whatever here is, but I'm not closing down a winning trade. If this is a 1-minute buy stop on all three, I will see my stop loss right. Look, I'll pop one up. Boop, there's my NAS. SPX, I'm going to pop up too, right to here. US 30. And then it doesn't matter to me. I'm going to, matter of fact, I'm going to leave this one here. So the worst case scenario is I'm up 37 pips, 40 pips. That's about $360 on this trade. That's the worst case scenario I could be on this trade. I'll win. But I think it's going to keep going up even more. It's a fill in the gap right here. You can see 5 minutes going to close. You're about to see the closure of all these three to the blue lines on the 5 minutes. You're about to see SPX close its fill in the gap. You're about to see US 30. You can see it right here. Green, black space, yellow, fill in the gap up. That's what this is. NAS is already touching up. See, NAS is the first one to do it. It's about to close. I told you. I love when I'm right. It's going to close this gap in. You're going to see this close right here, and it'll win. Kev, not a CHA question. How much does it cost you a month in Vegas? We got a nice little condo. The biggest, most expensive thing I figured out was food. I was the food cost. Oh my God, we've been ordering DoorDash, going out to eat. Barring all of that, it's not expensive at all. We drove our own car here. We bought a new car, drove it out. It's not too bad at all. Meaning, not including the food, $3,000 a month, including the food. Oh shit! Another in gambling. Oh, it's probably cost about $5,000 a month for the 2 months, as a guess. So I would say totally for the 2 months here, nice and cheap, not bad at all. And we actually won some money gambling. She did, especially. I didn't win. Well, I mean, at the end, the last couple of days I won, but nothing much. She was up, I think, like 2,500 or 3,000. Any rate, But excluding all that, I would say for the 2 months, somewhere around 25,000 probably it's going to cost as a guess. I'll add it up when we're all done, but that food cost, holy shit, I can't, and we don't even eat that much. We're both thin and in shape, mostly in shape kind of people. But yeah, damn, we just kept, you order this, you order that, all of a sudden that, and all of a sudden this. Shit, that's fucking shit added up quick. And we don't drink. So this is all without drinking. It's kind of funny. But yeah, it's a little pricey for me, but you know, we're only going to stay probably a month or 6 weeks in Hawaii, so it won't be nearly as, bad overall, I don't think. We're checking in some condos there. She's in the slots only, yeah. I love roulette, and I can stay on roulette all day long, but it takes time, and we ain't got time like that where we just sit around for hours and hours and hours. I even found a roulette slot machine. It was so fantastic. Oh my God, I was up a couple $100 in like 30 minutes because I can just sit there and wait for certain patterns to form. Then I just bet against it. It's amazing. All right. Anyone else have any kind of questions for thing? I got to run. Oh my God, it's getting late. She's going to kill me. Oh my God, it's 11:47. Oh my gosh. Fuck. All right, guys, got to run. I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.